Hello, YouTube family. Today we have a special treat for you. We're going to learn how to make a delicious and nutritious beverage, turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. This warm and comforting drink is not only tasty, but also packed with health benefits. So let's dive right into the recipe. In a saucepan, heat 2 cups of milk over medium heat. You can use any milk you prefer. Once the milk is warm, add in our star ingredient, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and gives the golden color to our milk. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for a warm and cozy flavor. Don't forget a pinch of black pepper, which enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. To sweeten our golden milk, add 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Adjust the sweetness to your liking. If you prefer a more subtle sweetness, you can always add less and adjust later. Give everything a good stir to combine the flavors. Now let the mixture simmer for about 5-7 minutes, allowing the spices to infuse into the milk. Once the golden milk has simmered, strain it to remove any bits of spice. Pour it into your favorite mug, and there you have it, a steaming cup of homemade turmeric milk, ready to be enjoyed. Perfect for a cozy night in or as a soothing bedtime treat. Cheers to your health. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, take care and stay golden.